With major updates and a prime location, this renovated Orlando home not only offers peace of mind, but a lifestyle that's truly desired. What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole Montiuti, a real estate advisor here in Central Florida. I go all throughout the region looking for amazing opportunities, whether you're buying for the first time or relocating. Now today we are in Maitland, Florida. Maitland is a smaller city just north of downtown Orlando. Maitland not only offers access to convenient highways, but just an established lifestyle. This city is surrounded by lakes and trails and amazing schools as well. We are just a short drive to Winter Park, which has Park Avenue, a cobblestone-lined street that has amazing local restaurants and shopping as well. You're gonna have a farmer's market there on Saturday mornings, which is my favorite thing to do in this area. Now, this home is also located in a cul-de-sac, so not only does it offer some privacy and quiet, it also is very convenient. We're gonna start this tour off right here on the driveway. As you can see, there's plenty of parking throughout the cul-de-sac, and you're gonna have 2 more spaces inside. This home was built with concrete block construction, built in 1973, and it is in a flood-free zone as well. You have a beautiful walkway here, you have some landscaping done for you, and some major updates that we're gonna take a look at inside. Before we step inside, you're gonna have a really spacious porch right here in the front. You have a beautiful archway that kind of gives it a little charm, but there's enough space for a beautiful sitting area for you to relax at the end of the day. Now let's go inside. Stepping inside this home, you are greeted with an open concept floor plan. Before we fully enter, you're gonna have a coat closet off to my right and just a really good space for either a console table and a mirror if you wish. Once you enter, you're gonna have your kitchen off to the left. A few things to keep in mind is that this home has major updates. One of them being that there's gonna be luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the entire home. Standing in the heart of the home, it's an amazing place to gather, and you can tell that attention to detail was fully thought out. You have an amazing waterfall kitchen island here. There's quartz countertops with a really nice warm veining throughout. You have beautiful bronze fixtures, stainless steel appliances, and then your cabinets are 42 inches, so they'll go all the way up. Storage is not spared. You have tons of storage as well, and then you have an amazing window to overlook right above the kitchen sink. Okay, there is no pantry in this home, but you're gonna have the space right over here with these cabinets to act as your pantry. Now, stepping out through the kitchen, you have this amazing space as well. One of the best things about this home is that the space is very functional and versatile. So you can have your living room or dining area right here, or on the opposite side behind my cameraman. There's also tons of space for seating on the countertop too. Okay, right behind these doors, you're gonna have your laundry room and then your garage towards the back. You have your HVAC unit in here, your space for your washer and dryer, and then another window. There's gonna be tons of natural light coming in this home. A few more updates to keep in mind is that the water heater, the HVAC, and the roof are brand new. So when I mentioned peace of mind, these are costs to consider that you will not be having to worry about. Behind this door is going to be your 2-car garage that offers tons of space. Now we're gonna go across the home and take a look at the bedrooms. As you can see, this space is just amazing because of how wide it is, but everything feels integrated. You have 2 sets of new French doors as well that lead to the backyard of your home. Now you can definitely put your couch on this side and make this your living room, and the dining over on the opposite side. Now, the first bedroom we're going to take a look at is your primary. The primary faces the back of this home, and it has 2 doors as well that lead to your backyard. LVP flooring throughout. You have fans in each bedroom and a very spacious built-in closet. Now, tucked away to the back is going to be your primary bathroom. Again, just like in the kitchen, the details in the primary bath do not fall short. You have a beautiful vanity here, a really nice mirror already set up for you, a frosted window for privacy, and then this beautiful shower. It's spacious, it's new, it's renovated, it's beautiful. Okay, we're gonna go across the hall and take a look at 2 more bedrooms and a bathroom. Down the hall, we're going to take a look at the first bathroom. Now, this is going to have the same updated finishes, just with different materials. So the vanity stays the same, but they put different tile up in the tub as well. Again, a shower tub duo and tons of storage in our bathroom. Now, across, we're going to take a look at the second guest bedroom. It offers tons of space for either a kid's room, if you wanted to put a queen bed, or make this into a home office. You have a window to the left that overlooks the cul-de-sac. You have a built-in closet, and then one more window that overlooks the back with a beautiful view of a tree. Before we take a look at the last bedroom, this is going to be a storage closet, linen closet, whatever you need. Okay. The last guest bedroom, still as spacious as the one that we just took a look at. This one has a window that overlooks your porch steps. So really, really nice welcoming people in. You can put some curtains for some privacy. You have a built-in closet and just an amazing space, again with a ceiling fan. All right, let's go take a look at the backyard. We are now standing in the Florida room outside of the home. Before we get to the backyard, let's talk about this space a little bit more. So a Florida room is kind of like your porch, patio, lanai, whatever you want to call it, but it's fully enclosed, and this one offers a mini split. You're going to have the flooring from inside fully updated out here, so it really brings that indoor-outdoor feeling. Now, outside of the screen door, you're going to have a fully paved private pool and just tons of space to create more of an outdoor experience. Now, this property is 0.24 acres. So on the left, you're going to have your paved pool, but on the right, with some mature trees, you're going to have an amazing green space. If you wanted to put a barbecue, you wanted to do a playground, a gazebo, whatever you wish, you have this space for it. Now, there's no HOA in this community, and it really offers that Florida lifestyle that people are looking for. You're close to the parks, you're close to the airport, you're close to desirable locations within the city, and you're tucked away in a cul-de-sac for privacy. Well, that wraps up our exterior. Let's go inside and finish today's tour. Well, that wraps up today's home tour. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed today's video, feel free to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button for more videos. We just toured a renovated home here in Maitland, a smaller city just north of Orlando. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms at over 1,800 square feet, situated in a quiet cul-de-sac. Priced at $560,000. Again, I'm Nicole Montiuti, a real estate advisor here in Central Florida. And if you're looking to relocate, if you're looking to buy for the first time, or if you'd like a tour on the home that we showed today, you can contact me in the description below or scan this QR code to schedule a call. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.